Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to go over putting inner fenders on the GMADE BOM. Normally the inner fenders will look like this, and what I went out and did was I got these Axial SCX10 Wheel Wells, and so they come with front and rear fenders. It was basically for the original SCX10, but for this truck, since we only have front fenders, we're only going to use the front. These are the rears that I'm not going to use, and I've already trimmed the front, and I've trimmed them like so, and I have one mounted on here. And here's one mounted. So one thing about the BOM is, because of the motor location, you're gonna have to cut out this area in the fender to allow that motor to kind of poke through. But basically that's what that fender well is gonna look like. So I'm gonna put the other one on this side, and when I come back I'll have these painted, I'll mount them, and you can take a look at how it looks. Alright, we're back. So what I did was I painted the insides with Tamiya PS5 black, and then I went ahead and used plastic dip over that to give it that nice textured look. So let's go ahead and get this on the truck. There you have it. Here's one fender well. Here's the other one. That's it. Thanks for watching.